begin, ladies and gentlemen, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. Thank you. Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Wider World Discovery, the home of the finest and the home of the brave. Please remember to click on that subscribe button, like our videos, leave a nice comment, and share the video. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for believing in what we are doing. We hold you so much in high esteem. Keep following our channel. You are not going to regret it. And in our today's discussion, we'll be talking about something that is of great health benefit to you and to your family. And that is a fruit that comes from tropical Africa, and that is bitter Kola. Scientifically, it's called Gracina Kola. And in Africa, bitter Kola is often referred in most societies as the food of the gods. And in our today's video, we are trying to look at the nutritional content of bitter Kola. What are the nutrients found in bitter Kola that is recommended for you to consume it on a daily basis? And what are the associated health benefits when you consume bitter Kola on a daily basis? What will happen, and what are the side effects of you consuming bitter Kola more than the recommended dosage? So in our today's video, that's what we'll be looking at. We'll be right back after the commercial break. Hi there, and we will go straight by looking at the nutritional content of bitter Kola and why is it recommended for you to consume bitter Kola on a daily basis. And the first thing we are going to look at is bitter Kola contains 70% of carbohydrates. What are the functions of carbohydrates in the body? Carbohydrate helps to build the brain, that helps to build the kidneys. They also help to build the nervous system, and they also help to build the heart muscles. The second component found in bitter Kola, which makes it very important, is water. Bitter Kola contains about 9% of water. Water helps to regulate our body temperature, and water keeps the body cells hydrated, or keeps the body hydrated. Bitter Kola also contains about 4% of fiber, and fiber helps in the process of digestion, helping or preventing us from suffering from things like constipation and other stomach related troubles. Bitter Kola also contains 1.3% of fat. Fat has the sole responsibility of providing energy in the body, and bitter Kola also contains 11% of proteins. Proteins help in tissue development, or they help to repair worn out or damaged body tissues. Bitter Kola also contains potassium. Potassium protects the heart and also removes waste cells or dead cells in the body. Bitter Kola also contains iron. What is the functions of iron within the body? Iron helps in the growth and development of the body, and also iron helps in the production of hemoglobin, red blood cells within the body. Away from that, bitter Kola also contains other vitamins like vitamins A, like vitamin C, like vitamins E, like vitamins B1, B2, and B3. Vitamins A is responsible for us having a good vision and fortifies our immune system. Vitamins C and E protects the body cells, while vitamins B1, B2, and B3 helps in the production of energy within the body. Bitter Kola also contains some physical chemicals like hydrogen cyanide, like caffeine, like alkaloid like flavonoid. These are phytochemicals found in bitter kola, and it is very rich, and that's why it is recommended, because the consumption of bitter kola comes with some great health benefits. The first health benefits we are going to be talking about is bitter kola is a good therapy for weight loss, or bitter kola helps in weight loss. Are you suffering from obesity, that is excess weight? Bitter kola contains components that helps to suppress your appetite. When this happens, it also has the ability to speed up the rate of gastric juice within the stomach, that accelerates the rate of food breakdown or food digestion in the stomach, and that helps so much in controlling your weight. So if you're suffering from obesity, a good therapy for you will be daily consumption of bitter kola following the right dosage. The next is bitter kola possesses great antimicrobacterial properties. Bitter kola is blessed with carbohydrates, vitamin C and E, which help, and potassium, which help to fight against microbacterial actions within the body. By consuming bitter kola, it helps you to fight against things like fungal infection, outlet food, things that arise from microbacterial infection. So if you are suffering from microbacterial infection, the natural remedy to that will be a controlled daily consumption of bitter kola. Or if you want your body to have a strong defense system that will fight against bacterial attack, please consume bitter kola on daily basis. It is highly recommended. Next, which is a common problem, is bitter kola is an excellent treatment for heart failure. Are you suffering from heart failure, or are you having signs that shows that your heart is failing? Then I recommend that you consume bitter kola on daily basis, because it helps to build your heart muscles and help your heart to regain its original shape and for you to have a healthy heart. So bitter kola is a good treatment for heart failure. For those that are suffering from heart failure, it is highly recommended you configure your diet in such a way that you consume bitter kola on daily basis. The next, are you suffering from venereal disease? Are you suffering from urinary tract infection? Then the best treatment for you will be daily consumption of bitter kola, because bitter kola is used for the treatment of venereal diseases. It is gonorrhea, is it syphilis, is it chlamydia? Are you suffering from urinary tract infection? Bitter kola is rich in vitamins E and other vitamins, and vitamin E has the ability to fortify your immune system. So if you're suffering from venereal diseases or urinary tract infection, please configure your diet, consume bitter kola on daily basis, and check it out. The infection is going to disappear within no time. Are you suffering from dysentery? Are you suffering from fever? Are you suffering from vomiting? Bitter kola contains fiber. Bitter kola contains vitamin E. Bitter kola contains other nutrients that helps in the treatment of fever, dysentery. These are all issues that arise, we face on daily basis. So if you have this crisis, or maybe your child, maybe your son or your daughter has this issue, remember, bitter kola is a good treatment for dysentery and also a good treatment for vomiting and for fever. So just make it a responsibility of consuming bitter kola on daily basis. All these heart complications will disappear. Yeah, asthma is something that is very common within our societies, very common in our schools, and common in our societies. Every time and now a child drops in the ground and they go to the hospital and they diagnose he or she is suffering from asthma. Bitter Kola is a very good treatment for those suffering from asthma. Whether it's chronic, just make it a responsibility of having maybe 2 or 3 seeds of bitter kola in your bag or in your purse as you move along. If you're suffering from asthma, just learn to consume bitter kola on a daily basis, and you discover that gradually over time the situation or that challenge will gradually disappear and everything will be normal. So bitter kola is very important for those suffering from asthma. Bitter kola is also a very good treatment for those suffering from mouth inflammations. Mouth inflammations and toothaches. Maybe there's a hole that is gradually developing on your tooth. Just grind bitter kola, place it on it, or if you have some mild inflammations, just get 2 seeds of bitter kola and chew them. And after some time, you're going to be fine. So bitter kola is a very good treatment for mild inflammations and those suffering from toothaches. Hi, the next point is bitter kola helps to lower blood sugar levels. Are you having early signs of diabetes? Have you been diagnosed that you are diabetic? Then it is recommended for you to consume bitter kola on daily basis because bitter kola helps to lower blood sugar levels. Or you're trying to build an immune system in such a way that you don't have attacks like your blood sugar level is rising, then I recommend you to consume bitter kola on daily basis because it has been scientifically proven that bitter kola has properties that helps to lower the level of sugar in our blood and helping us to or prevents us from contacting things like diabetes. Before we continue, I would like you to leave in the comment section what are other benefits or what are the things you have gained by consuming bitter kola for those that have consumed it. Just leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you. And the next thing is bitter kola also prevents the growth of tumors on the body. Are there some signs that you have some ingrown flesh within your body or you have tumors on the body? For you to get a natural cure, it is highly recommended that you consume bitter kola. By consuming bitter kola, it helps to kill the tumor and also helps you to prevent the development of tumor on your body. So bitter kola helps in the prevention of tumor development on the body. Bitter kola also helps to prevent respiratory tract infection, things like cough. It is highly recommended, or it has been proven that bitter kola prevents things like cough and common cold. So by consuming bitter kola, it helps to fortify your respiratory tract, preventing things like cough from attacking you and fortifying your body. So bitter kola has been proven scientifically that it fights against respiratory tract infection, killing bacteria and viruses that get into your respiratory tract, which is very important. The next on our list is bitter kola fights against itches that results from insect bite. It could be mosquito bite, it could be bite resulting from ants or other dangerous insects like tetanus fly. Bitter kola fights against infections that arises from insect bite. So if you get a terrible insect attack, it's highly recommended If you cannot get conventional medicine, it's highly recommended you look for a natural remedy, which is bitter kola. Just get a seed of bitter kola and chew it. It will go a long way to fight against infections that arises from that insect or insect attack or insect bite. Are you suffering from appendicitis? Are you booked for an operation? Or are there some signs on your body already? Are there some early signs showing you're suffering from appendicitis? It is highly recommended for you to chew bitter kola on a daily basis. This will help to reduce the occurrence of appendicitis, and that will help to address the situation for those that are suffering from appendicitis. So if you have to build up your system in such a way that you are making your system formidable against attacks like appendicitis, it's highly recommended for you to consume bitter kola on a daily basis, because bitter kola fights against appendicitis. Wow. Okay, for the men that have been suffering from low sperm count or erectile dysfunctions, bitter kola stimulates libido. That is, it stimulates sexual arousement or sexual excitement in the body of the consumer. So are you suffering from things like erectile dysfunction, low sperm count? It is highly advisable that bitter kola will increase your appetite for sex and will also struggle to treat the problem of erectile dysfunction, and that will help you to perform well when you are with your partner. So those that are suffering from erectile dysfunction, or they are not always in the mood to have sex, maybe because of some psychological problems, it is advisable, or some health problems, it is advisable to consume bitter kola on a daily basis, and that issue will be addressed. The next health benefit is bitter kola is a great antioxidant. So by consuming bitter kola, it helps to fortify your immune system, builds you against virus attacks and bacterial attacks, and you're going to have a great immune system. The next on our list, which is very important, the associated health benefits of consuming bitter kola on a daily basis, is bitter kola is a remedy or fight against diseases like hepatitis. Hepatitis is a very common disease, whether it's hepatitis A or C. Bitter kola helps to fight against hepatitis. By consuming bitter kola on a daily basis, your immune system becomes fortified. And in situations when you come across a carrier of hepatitis, your system is already fortified and fight against that disease and helps you not to become a potential carrier. So by consuming bitter kola, it fortifies your system and helps it to fight against diseases like hepatitis. So why not consume it on a daily basis? The next amazing health benefits of consuming bitter kola is bitter kola fights against gallstones. Gallstones develop on the liver, and if allowed untreated or unaddressed over a long period of time, it poses a great health challenge to the individual, and sometimes you may even lose your life. So by consuming bitter kola, it helps fortify your system to fight against things like gallstone, which is very important. So make it a routine of consuming bitter kola in order to fortify your system to fight against liver attacks and other health issues that may cost you your life. So why not consume bitter kola on a daily basis? The next on our list is bitter kola fights against malaria. Malaria is a very, very big challenge in the tropical countries, and it is transmitted by the female Anopheline mosquito. And by consuming bitter kola, your system becomes fortified. Your system becomes immune to things like malaria. Diseases attack like malaria. So if you want to successfully build a stronger immune system that is resistant to malaria, even in situations where you have been attacked by the female anopheline mosquito, consume bitter kola on daily basis, and you are going to see that the miracle is going to work. The next is bitter kola also relieves labor pain in women. Are you in labor? Are you suffering from severe pain arising from the contraction of the uterus? Are you having somebody suffering from severe labor pain? Then it's advisable for that lady to consume maybe 2 seeds of bitter kola during labor. That helps to relieve the lady of so much pain and help her to deliver the baby with ease. So for those suffering from contraction, severe contraction of the uterus, and they find it uneasy to stand or to do any activity, maybe you are all alone, it's advisable to consume bitter kola and the situation is going to be addressed. That leads us to the next, and bitter kola also helps in the treatment of ear infections. You could have some bacterial attacks on your ear. You might have some growths inside your ear. Sometimes they can be very painful. And with that, by consuming bitter kola or by squeezing the juice of bitter kola and using a cotton bulb to apply it on your ear or inside your ear or around your ear, that helps it to take away that particular infection. So bitter kola is very, very essential when it comes to the treatment of ear infections like bacterial infections and other health-related infections. But however, it is highly recommended that you consume bitter kola with a lot of moderation, because if it is not consumed with a lot of moderation, excess consumption of bitter kola comes in with some resultant side effect. And some of the resultant side effect is if you consume more than 5 seeds of bitter kola per day, it leads to number 1, weight loss. You lost appetite, you cannot eat, and that might have an adverse effect on you. You might tend to suffer from gastrointestinal disorder in the long run. Also, excess consumption of bitter kola also upsets the stomach. It makes the stomach to grumble, to murmur. So you have to consume bitter kola, although it is highly medicinal, but you need to consume it with some moderation, because excess consumption of bitter kola will lead to the stomach being upsetted and it's going to create you a lot of discomfort. And finally, excess consumption of bitter kola leads to dizziness. So you have to consume it with some moderation.